Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Welcome again, Unstoppable family. So people, the cries for entertainment to be opened in Jamaica continues. Even though the other day the Prime Minister came out and him said he was considering opening up entertainment in Jamaica, boy, the selector them still a cry feet, right? Because all know nothing no happen. Even just the other day the Prime Minister put out another statement saying that they are reconsidering that consideration, and people right now it just gets stickier, right? A lot of selectors are saying that listen, a time for the party scene open up back, because if other things cannot get open, why can't their field be opened as well? And one of the persons who really have pushed hard for that is Jazzy. Alright, Jazzy is one of the ones who really, one of the selectors them who really are pushed hard for the entertainment sector opening in Jamaica. So Jazzy along with DJ Kentucky was having a conversation the other night about this whole situation, and DJ Kentucky was stating a lot of facts. So people, take a listen to the things where Jazzy and DJ Kentucky had to say.
Brother, I wonder some people really want me do an interview on the TV station. They never hate me. But the truth is a must. It's ridiculous how blindfolded we be, brother. How blind we be to all this bullshit.
Yeah, man. Real talk, man. Real talk. No joke, brother.
No, but look at it.
No joke, that.
Look at poor people gravitate to the notion of opening the bar. Yeah, poor man. Without doing mathematics. I mean, I understand, because 3/4 we don't like mathematics. What's a Jamaican like mathematics? What's a definition? Interpret, big up yourself. What's a math? Prime Minister say, yo, open your bar. But in order to open your bar, you have to register. Every bar. No matter what you tell me. Even though you lock down on the money, you have to register. Alright, fine. Now you register your bar. No stool, no seat, no pool game, no this, that. Fine. Basically, you're running a drive-thru bar. Because if a man come at the bar, buy 2 guineas and can't sit down to drink it, he's obligated to leave. And if he go outside and get it, right. No, you are selling your liquor at your bar for 5 bills because you have to make a money. What's the difference? What's the difference with me driving go and make a mart, go inside, see him and sell the same guineas where I sell for 5 bills for 250 and cut? Why difference? Mega Mart will sell more because his liquor cheaper and you still can't sit down and Mega Mart and drink it. Just like you can't sit down at your friend bar. And 3/4 of the people we can break the rule. Tweet a local police officer, give him a thing and say, yo, daddy, I put 2 stools in there, but yo, and you run it here and make you run. How long can you do that for? When a policeman see your bar start get active now and things start work out, he must try to stop you. And then the next man down the road, I will say, oh, this is a policeman, I give the bar to run. And film the bar and I run. It will bring another thing. Now it will bring the whole thing that now the whole of the bar, they will lock down now again because of animosity we build up in the community because of blights. We don't want no blights. We want something right on a piece of paper and say, yo, every bar is eligible to open from 11 to 4 in the morning, XYZ, blah, blah, after the pandemic or pandemic. That's all you want here. How long are we going to take piece of information and testing and test run when you say we're going to live in a COVID environment? How long are you going to test this? You already told us we're going to live in. Get yourself abreast and adjust it before or whatever you want.
Because you not go away.
So why you wait for me? Yo, brother. But I can't reason that. For a reason, I can't ready. How you tell Jamaica, say, get yourself ready for a COVID environment. But you still have the plan put in place.
You know the plan put in place, so we not the plan for anything. You man never have nothing on the table for we none at all, dog.
No, at all, bro.
I seen him say, no entertainment, no vote here. He realize, say, you know, see, man, they want to call the word.
You know, you want call it. Then this is what play guilt on the mansions. And people don't want to feel like they have nothing against labor. My mother and my brother, they can call their name. I two of the biggest labor in the world. I was once cheering for them too. But I saw mistakes. Anytime I see things when I make sense, they have to talk about it. And when a man becomes apologetic to a particular situation, mean he deliberately did it. The man said, I have to apologize to the entertainment industry for neglecting you for so long. Who listen to what I say? You purposely neglect me, brother. You purposely knowing.
Yeah, man.
This is one of the biggest stress reliever and tablet in the world for this care factor we are going to do. And you purposely ignore it.
The man sound like him never carrying a role for that neither, dog. So the man talk.
You see what players don't want to look you put out when nobody don't know. Take off. From go to my grandmother, to my grandfather, say you, my son in the yard, and happy every day to one in a kind of robot spliff and I drink this. So no one go on the beach. Go up to some people say, give me my share, man. You know what I mean? Everybody call me, Christian call me. Everybody say, send us something to come give me DJ. I like it. Very blah blah. I know your seat reach to your gate. Come remember you never see it over the opposition. Remember PNP didn't wave it and say, oh, Labour right on the sewer. Just say one of you, where you call him? One minute.
Yo, him see that. Him see that long time. Him just feel like it's never going.
Well, so show them so that they were there. And the people are serious and adamant about not voting if we not get equality. You know what I mean? And this entertainment business. True back and stay in here. You see, I can probably get some people XYZ, blah, blah, as a go for. You know what I mean? But I am saying, if we are to make example out of these people, if them apply to make example out of it, we are going to make a bigger example. Because
yeah, man. Straight, man.
Unfair game played twice. My grandmother tell me that. Unfair game twice.
A real talk, brother, man.
If we can get up to get the Prime Minister's attention, anything, any farmer gathering after July 1st or August 1st, brother, it is people are going to sit here. People are going to sit here and buy it. I'm done.
So DJ Kentucky stated his points right there. Wanna say, you agree with the things that Kentucky say or not? Talk to me in the comment section, let me hear your take upon this. As a matter of fact, do you even agree that the entertainment section should be open in Jamaica? What you say? You want party thing to start going again, or you feel like the government need to just hold off on that a little bit? What you say? Let me hear your take on that. Well, our next brother joined the conversation, and I'm assuming that he's a selector as well, because he did have a whole lot of things to talk of. Let's take a listen to what our brother here say to Jazzy.
Really a truth, me not see nothing at all in place for dancehall. And look at dancehall. The first thing that people at Jamaica need to know, why cut the liquor them? Why cut the liquor them? You can't sell food at dance, because if you can't boycott liquor them, you know, D&G and the whole of them have to come out and talk, you know, and also help, you know, guys, you know. See what I say? But the plan is for the government, where my idea is, get involved with the promoter, the sound system. Come up with a plan and say to them, say, all right, here what happened. Let we give it a try and ask the promoter and the sound man, say, here what happened. If we are going to allow Uno to do it, there's 3 things that we want to put in place. Every promoter must apply for a permit, a security permit. So I say, where you can say, okay, then depends on the size dance where you keep. I don't know if it makes no sense now, but just listen to what I say.
Yeah, man.
If you apply for a permit, a security permit, so I say, where every dance depends on the size dance. If you keep a drink out, you apply for a permit. And you said, okay, then that permit, say, I call it, say, a $5,000 or $6,000. Where you have to have 2 police there to ensure that everybody at the party have on a mask. Because if you're going to have the market them where people are going in, crowd, if you open up the place and see the amount of people who are gathered around, see what I say? About 50% of them not have on a mask.
Yeah, of course, no joke, real talk.
See what I say? If you are going to allow the church to hold up to 50 people in our church, see what I say? If you are going to say people are going to drink liquor after them drink the liquor, people are going to turn fool and don't know what they are doing anymore. Then you ask those security that we get the permit for, come there. Their job is to circle around, ensure that everybody follow the rules and wear the mask. You put on your mask, drink your liquor, put on back your mask, and you party and do your thing. But
the thing is, you know, brother, we don't get the chance to do none of that because them not them a reach out to people, you know, my boss. And that me come from the life where we are talking about, you know. Them reach out to people from the entertainment industry, you know. Keeping meeting with a certain amount of a limited of people where you tell some of the bigger heads them we don't know, them reach out to them people because them say, yo, them people are supposed to know everybody. So once we reach them people here, I guess everybody will get what go on. But the thing is when them tell them people they not reach out to nobody, them keep it to themselves. You understand what I say?
Yeah, what me I say? Remember, and since the corona come in, them thing they happen, you know. And since that come in to happen, you know. I remember this, you know. One of the biggest problem when it come on to entertainment down there, so, you know. The biggest problem in Jamaica is police, you know. Look, they claim say them a turn off dance 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and 2 o'clock. Sir? But still yet, you have the bigger head them, and the big dance them, and the big show them, now turn off till all 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. But you keep a little thing in the country area. Police pop up there. And as long as you can squeeze a police thing, you get to play till as long as you want to play.
Then you can be sure.
Sir? So what I'm saying with this coronavirus thing, because you know see the bigger man, them will get them little thing, and them will go one side and have them little corner meeting. And claim say, them will go pass it on. Like me, Crawford say, all the entertainment, all the sound man them can get a permit for carrying certain type of equipment. How much once your sound register? How much sound who register in a Jamaica have that information and know that?
They know that, them never know. I try to tell you.
They never know.
I try to tell you, no, say, me link up with them man, they reach out to me today. And I show me, say, we never hide nothing from nobody. Like you, him say, all right, mother reach out to the brother because you come from Smithville. So we look at you and say, all right, yeah, hear me? General come from Smithville and he look like him have a name. So you what? Me could reach out to him, so him reach out to the rest of man them where can spread the word in a Smithville say, yeah, hear me? Dance can keep on permit a grant.
Yeah.
But him reach out to you and you keep it with yourself. You know bother reach out to the man. So that me I try to tell you, say that go on, come here, say brother. Then how know that feel if the man them a St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland and Mobile start keep for them meeting up that side there, and when uno left from town, go and Mobile, police start take on the sound. And uno no know what go on. Because meet na keep up the animal no inform on town. So me I say brother the same thing. Uno keep meeting at town and uno the route of everything and uno invite the man them from country. The man them say brother, we been tell the man them will tell we say them can get to the man them a country. And them tell we say them already spread the information. So we never know how, so they must say when we see this now, when it get so big, we call them man the way we are say and them are the top man or them are the big man in the music now. And they must say them don't have an idea how I go on. So they must say, oh, something this huge I got up my own no. So that means that them start pressure them commander now, you know. So them start reach out to we get some form of information. So me I say that this not turn back in.
The man them know, but them just never know that he gonna reach this far.
Exactly.
Okay?
Them never know we could have do it without them. Yeah. Them never know it could have happened without them.
So now when them are come now and I call out right now, okay? Because they want to get involved in it right now.
Them want to stop it, that them want to do. Because them come under pressure. The people them we put them, we say where them tell the people them say them can do it, them a come under pressure from them people there, from the top people them. Because them a say, uno tell we say everything alright. We keep meeting with uno daily and uno say everything alright, the man them good. So all them whole heap of people that come down for we know and say no entertainment, no vote, and it a get so big that it reach in a parliament and all about. And uno tell we say uno could deal with it. I pressure them come under why them a reach out to we, no brother. I stop them want to stop our thing and say, boy, if we can stop it and do something different. Me I say brother, this can't stop again.
But you see, but my understanding is that a lot of sound man them, you know, big man them in the business, still I get funding by the government, you know.
Well, we can't see it now. See Trooper jump out and left. Trooper up off a train and make video and say a bag of things since night. I say, him is not a part and him is not this and him is not that. You know, see the man jump out.
But no couple days, I went not 2 weeks ago. Him there on the live. There 2 weeks ago him there on the live and I talk about what need to get in place and all of them things there.
Then brother, they know that we are saying no, we are no opportunity there.
Alright, so that right there was the reasoning. One office about that. More for your thoughts, your views, and your opinion upon that in the comment section. Let me hear what you think about it. Because, I mean, a lot of persons that say, yo, if everything else are open up back, why is it that party can go on? Right? And if they put certain things in place, right? Certain measures in place for other entities to open up. Put the same measures in place for party to open up as well. If people have to wear masks while them party, they make them wear masks while them a party, is what people saying. Well, una agree or disagree? Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me hear your thoughts on this one. Alright, and you can join Jazzy live them at night time when time you might have them, cause them to have a whole heap of debate on this whole situation from time to time. So you can check out Jazzy over there on Instagram. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, consider hitting the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once we upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.